Welcome back to my channel. It is I, Erin, and today I did another halo eye because why be original? I used some cool new products today. I did use the Anastasia Prism palette, which is stunning, as well as some Morphe products. Of course, you know I can't help myself there. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I think if I look in this, if I look here, I might look at the camera. I can't tell. Oh well. Hi guys. We're the day's water. I'm feeling thirsty, and we're gonna go to a beer pairing later. Yay. I don't know what I want to do. Nothing too crazy, I don't think. I'm gonna try this new primer. This is the Urban Decay De-Slick Complexion Primer. Shine control, pore minimizing, and mattifying. I did an allergy test on this the other day and it didn't irritate me, so we'll see how it works under actual makeup. Whoa. It is tinted, but it doesn't look tinted on the skin, so I'll mostly put it in my T-zone, since that is what it's designed for. We're also going to try to go see Black Panther today. This will see how that goes. I'm eating it by accident. Can you see a difference? We're gonna let that sit in and we're gonna do our eyes. This is my Anastasia stick foundation to prime my eyes. I do really like that. Go ahead and set that with some airspun. I'm going to use this color Lure from the Prism palette for a transition shade. I'm going to do a full look with this palette because I want to keep it more on the pink side. We'll use a few colors with that. How about that? We're going to pop this color in the crease. Oh man, she's got pigment, girl. She looks really pretty. I've heard pretty mixed reviews about this palette, but this color is not making me mad at all. I want to blush this shade, like a mauve-y pink. That'd be pretty to have a mauve-y pink blush. With my 35C palette from Morphe, you take some of these bright pinks over here. Oh yeah, and make it a little brighter. Girl, genius. Bring that down onto a little bit. I'm actually going to go into this Morphe 35C palette again. I'm going to grab this Dusty Mauve color here and create the halo. I don't think I've ever used this shade. It looks like an untouched pan. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go in with a Lucid from this palette and pop that in the center of the lid. I'm use my finger first and see how that works. So that's usually how I do shimmers. You never know, sometimes it needs a little something, a little zhuzh, And I'm not going to cut it out because I'm lazy. And I'm just going to a beer pairing. I'll try to like do anything crazy. It's really freaking gorgeous. This color a lot. I do want to zhuzh. I want to. This is the M124 brush. A little water. A lot of people use setting spray, but setting spray usually irritates my eyes pretty bad, so I just use water. Let's see if this makes a difference. Oh shit, bitch. Look how like beautifully foiled that is. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into the inner corner as well. Just why not? Just take it there. Just take it there, bitch. I'm gonna switch that out with some pink, so that's gonna look like that. I'm gonna use a little flat shader brush from H&M. Light pink. Get that under eye snatch. So I primed underneath as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Even though the rest of my face makeup's not on yet, but it's okay. I'm gonna take a slightly fluffier brush, this one, and go back in with Blur, this pink mauve color, and smoke it out on the outer corner of that lower lash line. And connect it up to the top. Yeah. And really soften that up a bit. Got a beautiful foundation on. Stop fucking around, put some foundation on, Erin. Cool. Let's do some mascara. Definitely not trying anything new. I'm just going in with Monster Big because I love it. Because I love it. I'm actually gonna go in with the Worth the Hype mascara on my bottom lashes. Using a little ex-supermodel from Jeffree Star. I love this color. I don't know why I didn't wear it for such a long time, and all of a sudden it's like, I'm wearing it every day. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lip on top of it. Oh yes. What do you guys think about my double chin contour today? Did I do a good job? Try a different thing. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I guess we'll find out. Alright. That's the look. That's the look, honey. That is the look. Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell because you never know when it's going to be a spicy day. I always upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and then spicy days are days that I upload when it's not a Tuesday or a Thursday, so you just never know when that day's coming. You can also follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It's all at I'm a Pluralist. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!